Hey, Gus, Quinn, do you know what the Constitution is?
I heard of the Constitution, but I don't know what the Constitution is.
I do. The Constitution is the highest form of law in the United States of America and is the oldest federal constitution we still use today. And today is a perfect day to teach you about the Constitution.
The Constitution is the highest form of law in the United States of America and is the oldest federal constitution we still use today.
The Constitution was signed on September 17, 1787 by the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
The Constitution was then ratified by representatives of the people of the first 13 states.
Ratified means it was put into effect.
That's right, Quinn. And before the Constitution, the original 13 states acted like independent countries.
The United States did not have a large government or a president.
Alexander Hamilton asked for a meeting to present a new and enhanced Constitution in 1786.
I have an idea.
Alexander Hamilton was a lawyer and politician.
Congress liked this idea, so they invited all 13 states to send representatives to this meeting.
These were the men who helped found the United States and create the Constitution.
And this group of men, called the Framers, met to write the Constitution. And these representatives are now called the Founding Fathers.
And they were Alexander Hamilton, Benjamin Franklin, George Washington, James Madison, John Adams,
John Jay,
and Thomas Jefferson.
And as the Constitution was written, the men realized that future generations would want to make changes to this original Constitution.
They wanted to make it possible to change the Constitution without it being too difficult or too easy.
That's right, Cadence. So the Founding Fathers added something called the amendment process.
An amendment to the Constitution is a change that can add or change the Constitution.
The process of creating the Constitution took about 3.5 months.
Hey, guess what? Did you know that early outlines of the Constitution didn't begin with the familiar phrase, "We the people of the United States"?
It actually started with a long list of all the states back then. We the people of the states of New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and so on and so on. It was a bit long.
You may see on many Delaware state license plates the words, "the first state." That is because they were the first state to ratify the Constitution.
The last and final state was Rhode Island.
The men who created the Constitution wanted the American people to have basic rights.
They created the first 10 amendments to the Constitution and called them the Bill of Rights.
So what does the Bill of Rights do?
Great question, Quinn. The Bill of Rights essentially guarantees legal protection to the people so that government actions cannot cause suffering.
For example, the First Amendment gives people the freedom to have their own religious beliefs and the right to say what they want without being arrested.
There are also many more amendments. In fact, thousands of additional amendments have been submitted, but only 17 have been ratified.
Which again means put in effect.
Today, there are a total of 27 amendments.
And these include the 13th and 14th Amendment, which outlaws slavery and states that people that are born in the United States are United States citizens.
The 15th Amendment gave all men the right to vote, and the 19th Amendment gave women the right to vote.
And there are 7 articles in the Constitution. They are legislative power, executive power, judicial power, states' powers and limits, amendments, federal power, and ratification. And this is the part of the Constitution that explains the authority of the United States government.
Again, the Constitution is the highest law in the United States. And this is important because these laws of the Constitution belong to all Americans. Well, hey, guess what? Now we all know about the Constitution.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out our channel.
Yep.
Make sure you subscribe.
Bye.